Let me get started. Oh yeah. Have you ever felt this way before? Have you ever felt that love in your heart of gold? Have you ever felt the weight of the world on your shoulders? Have you ever felt all this love before? Cause it's all new to me. It's all new to me.
Start off by applying foundation all over your face and neck.
Interested in me, it's all new. And I'm confused, not gonna lie to you. But I gotta ask you something. Are you into me, baby?
Next, apply loose powder onto the area that tends to crease. So for me, it's my under eye area, the side of my nose, smile line, and forehead. After 3 minutes, use a fluffy brush to feather the powder all over your face and neck. Today, I'm wearing dusty nude contact lens from Pink Icon. Time for the brows. Start off by filling in your eyebrows with a light brown color.
Not this love between you and me. It's so true, like it's meant to be.
Then apply a darker shade of brown color onto the outer third of your eyebrows.
Comes a mystery, but forgive me.
And use whatever left on the brush, create a hair strokes at the inner corners of your brows.
I'm just trying to see if you really.
Next, apply concealer onto the brow bone and all over the lid to sharpen your eyebrows and also to prime your eyelid.
But I gotta ask you something. Are you
Then use a small brush to sharpen the upper parts of your eyebrows.
into me, baby? Are you into me?
To set your eyebrows in place, apply brow gel.
Are you into me, baby? Are you into me, baby? Are you into me?
Moving on to the eyes, apply light pink color all over the eyes and bring it down to the lower lash line. Next, apply purple color just above your crease line, following your eye shape. Then use a blending brush to soften the line for a gradient effect. Next, apply bright pink color onto the inner parts of your eyes and bring it up to the purple eyeshadow. And also onto the outer corners of your eyes and wing it out.
Oh yeah.
Then apply the same color onto the outer corner of your lower lash line. Then squint your eyes to find your eye bag and apply the same color onto your eye bag like so. Then using a blending brush to blend the outer corners of your crease in a circular motion. And don't forget to soften the color on your eye bag.
Have you ever felt the weight of the world on your shoulders?
Next, apply light blue color onto the center of your crease.
Cause it's all new to me. It's all new to me.
And use your finger to gently blend the edges. And apply the same color onto the center of your lower lash line and also the inner corners of your eyes. To brighten up the eyes, apply highlighter onto your brow bone. And use the first brush to soften the line for a gradient effect. Then wet your brush with setting spray and apply glitter onto the center of your crease and also the center of your lower lash line. Then line your eyes with a dark brown liquid liner like so.
Not this love between you and me. It's so true.
After you curl your lashes, apply mascara onto the upper and lower lashes.
Our love, it all becomes a mystery. But forgive me, cause it's all new to me. It's all new to me.
Next, apply pink mascara onto the lower lashes.
If you really really love
And cut your false lashes in half and apply it onto the outer corner of your upper lash line.
you,
Moving onto the face, apply bronzer below the inner corners of your brows and bring it down following your nose bridge and under the tip of your nose. And also onto the center of your cupid's bow. Then apply the same bronzer at the side of your face to make your face appear smaller.
baby. Are you into me, baby? Are you into
Next, apply light pink color onto your cheeks following your bone structure.
baby? Are you into me, baby?
Then apply a brighter pink color onto the apples of your cheeks. To brighten up the face, apply highlighter onto your cheekbones and bring it up to the temple in a C shape like so.
And I'm confused, not gonna lie to you, but I gotta ask you something. Are you into
And don't forget your shin.
baby?
Then I'm using my finger to apply the highlighter at the tip of my nose and nose bridge.
Are you into me, baby?
Next, use a fluffy brush to blend all the colors together for a gradient effect.
Are you into me, baby?
Moving on to the lips, apply nudish pink liquid lipstick onto the upper parts of your lips.
Into me, baby? Are you into
Then press your lips together so the color can transfer down to the lower lip. Then use your finger to feather it out.
me? It's so true, like it's meant to be. But if I think too hard,
Next, apply dark purple liquid lipstick onto the inner corners of your lips.
but forgive me, cause it's all new to me. It's all new to me.
And press your lips together to create a natural gradient effect.
If you really love me,
To finish it off, apply loose powder onto the outer corners of your lips and also your lip line to soften the color.
you something. Are you
And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you want to watch more of my videos, please click it right here. I'll post the link in the description box for you guys. Or if you want to follow me on social media, please go right ahead. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!